Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Etsy seller tax settings for 1099s, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Etsy account. Navigate to Shop Manager from the top menu. Select Finances from the left sidebar. Click on Payment Settings. Scroll down to find the Tax Settings section. Review the information provided about tax registration. If you're located in the United States, ensure you have your tax identification number ready. Click on the Edit button next to the tax settings. Choose your tax registration type. Fill in your tax identification number in the provided field. Review the details you entered for accuracy. Select your state from the drop-down menu if applicable. Save your changes by clicking the Save button. Etsy will then guide you through any additional steps if necessary. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation of your tax settings update. Remember to keep track of your earnings for 1099 reporting. You can return to this section anytime to update your information as needed. It's important to keep your tax settings current to avoid any issues during tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.